Hello everybody, it's me, Keith Asher here. My mom just brought me Jack in the Box. I have 2 sourdough jacks. One right here. I have one that I'm gonna eat later that I put fries on. Then I have one right here. These are plain sourdough jacks. And there's also, you can get a sourdough club, chicken club. And they don't, it says, you don't make it till you order it. Sourdough jack. Sourdough steak melt. I'm gonna try it. Jack in the Box, this is my review of it. Here it is. So basically, it's sourdough bread, Swiss cheese, bacon, and normally there's a mayo on it. Not mayo. I can't remember what it is, but there's like a sauce on it. I got both of them without the sauce. But see, bacon right here. Really good bacon. Alright. Bacon, patty, sourdough bread. Let's take a bite. Alright, so you get a hint of bacon, bread, and you get that Swiss cheese right here. Okay, right off the bat, you taste the sourdough bread. Then you taste the cheese. They hit you with this just really good meat or like sausage patty that they have. And then the smokiness of the bacon hits you. And it all just comes together. I have a raspberry tea, which is also freaking amazing. I recommend trying that. Their fries are amazing too. But I would recommend trying the sourdough jack. It's delicious. I mean, like, just look at that. This weekend, I'm going to have a bunch of videos come up. I'm having a friend coming over. And hopefully he'll let me show his face. He didn't want me to. But back in the day, but hopefully he'll do it this time. I just want to say thanks for watching my videos. I'll have more reviews coming later. Peace. I'm out. You guys really need to go down to Jack in the Box and try this. Peace. I'm out.